Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to install VS Studio Code and download the compiler. Go to your browser and just type VS Studio Code and you will get this page. So just click on download. It will automatically start downloading as I did it before. So I'll just cancel it. You can see a C++ section. Just click on that. You will get a GCC link for it. For Windows, so I'll just click on Windows installation. So you'll get a link for it. Just click on that. You will be redirected to this page. So just click on downloads. Just scroll down. You can see the versions of OS. So just click on WinBuilds. So just click on installation link. You will get a link download for Windows. Just click it. So just click on installation link. As I already done that, I'll just cancel. So here are my files: VS Code and MinGW compiler. So I'll just install it. I have already installed it. Just accept the agreements. Click on next. Keep all defaults as it is. Click on next. In my case, I'll just cancel this. Now install the MinGW. Just give all the permission required. Install it. Just click on next. Keep all the defaults as it is. Click on next. You can change the directory by clicking on the browse and just click on next, and it will take time to install it. In my case, I'll just cancel it. I'll just close my windows. So now next thing you have to do is to set an environment variable. Although your compiler is installed in your system, but if you will type commands for that, it won't recognize. Let me show you. It will give you a fatal error. No input files found. But if you will set environment variable, it will show the copyright version and everything about the compiler. See, let me type g++ -- version. This is the command to get the version of this. So now let me show you how to do this. Just click on the advanced system setting. Just go to environment variables. Before that, you have to just go to the directory where you have installed the MinGW. Click on MinGW32 and there will be a file. Copy the path. Here are all the executable files which is essential to get the code run. Click on path. Click on edit. Just click on new and paste the path. I have already done that, so I'll just delete it. I'll click on OK, OK, and then OK. Now Minji compiler can be accessed in your computer. So let me show that. GCC -- version is the command to get the version of it. Let me I'll just open a folder to demonstrate a C program, how to run a C program in VS Studio. I'll create a file named temp.c. .c is the extension for C language. Now let me write a simple code. #include. Let me include the header file. Let me define the main function. I'll write a short print command, hello world. This is the most significant sentence used in entire programming world. You can download this extension for the VS Code. It will be very essential for you to write the programs more easily. The thing you have to do is search for extension C/C++. It's from Microsoft IntelliSense. You have to install this, and another extension is Code Runner. Just install it. It is very easy to install. It comes very handy. So to execute a program, you can click on the run button. It will automatically execute and display you the result. But if you want to run via terminal, so just write gcc. You can press tab to toggle, just hit enter after writing this -o and the name of the file you want to give. In my case, I'll rename it as temp_c. You can see that temp_c.exe is now generated in my folder. So when I will access that, I will get my output. So let me delete that and show you once again. This is to compile the program we have done and make a executable file out of it. So the code is very simple. It is gcc temp, your file name, and that -o, then the name you want to give, so you can access it. So here is the output. So you can do it via your cmd also. There is a command called directories. Here you can see a temp_e.exe file. So just toggle and hit enter. You will get your output. So this is how we run program, and you can build industry level programs in this IED, that is Visual Studio Code, using the MinGW compiler. So thank you. Do like my channel and hit subscribe, and do not forget to follow me on GitHub. I'll post all the code. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like if you liked, and do subscribe this channel, and do follow me on GitHub, where I will constantly being posting my upcoming videos code. Thank you.